Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Lars and this is the Building of Fenrir. Hello guys, it's good to be on the shop once again after a very boring month, and here is where we are. In the last week I sand this thing down to 120 grit sandpaper, and of course I have to overcomplicate my life choosing a very flat top with perpendicular side. They're really difficult to do by hand, and I did it. I did it with a lot of sandpaper and a lot of use of the Shinto rasp. I did it in 1 week and it's very good. I'm very pleased with the result right now. And now in this video, what I want to do and what I will do are 4 things. I want to put the engraving here. I already prepared the design for the wolf. It's here. I want to put the engraving right here. I want to work on the back cavity that I prepare for this moment, and I have to drill the hole for the control and the hole for the pickup and the bridge wire, and I want to at least put the final color and 1 coat of the finish, just 1. But now that I said everything that I have to do, let's start working. What I will do now is attach this thing. I will let this to cure for 5 minutes, and until then I will work for a little on the back plate, because for the back plate what I want to use are these 2 pieces. I want to use these 2 pieces. Now these are the offcuts from the side of the neck, and because these are on this face they are flat, and on the side I will cut this and then glue together side by side, and then I will resurface. Then I will put on the back, and I will sand flat with everything. And on that matter, I take some magnets to help to hold the cavity, because I really want to try it. So let's start with this. I will start cutting this piece and then gluing together. Let's go. I'm half the way through for everything that I have to do in this video. Now the engraving was a success. I really like it. I'm halfway through all the things that I have to do in this video. I made all the holes. I drilled all the holes. And oh my god, that was scary. Now, I bought this jazz bass control plate with already the control wired because I don't particularly like wiring, so I just missed a step. So what I did was taking this the little knob here. I just place it where the control cavity is, just where I thought it will be cool and also comfortable placing the control. And then I drill the hole using the this step drill. Now I thought that this part will be easier because I thought I will use the control this plate here, the hole of the plate, to see how large they are with the step drill, and then just drill. I end up making them bigger. I really don't know why, but now it's working, and it was a lot of guesswork, so I just drill a little, then take the control, the knobs, try to fit there, and also I have to work on the back here, on the control cavity here, because I have to take a little bit of material on the bottom because it was too thick on the bottom, and these are very small knobs, so I have to take a little of material. Again, it was a lot of guesswork, and I worked for half an hour, something like that, until I could fit all the knobs, and I can screw them, secure them, whatever. Then the scary part. So I have to drill the hole for the control, for the wiring, and I use these very long drill bits, and I was really scared because I knew that you can drill through the guitar, through the back, and ruin a guitar. This time was less stressful because I bought these very long drill bits, so I can go with a very low angle. I did this yesterday, and it was a success. This morning I find where the bridge saddle will be, and I also mark where they should be. I drill the hole for the screw. So this is done, and I also drill the bridge wiring. After I drill all the hole, was the time to clean this shopping mess, and now we are again. Now it's finally the time for the backplate. I will try a little trick that I saw Blues Art doing. So what I did was fill the cavity with some sawdust, then he covered the backplate, the control cavity, with masking tape, and then shake it. In theory, the dust should stuck on the tape and give you a nice little template, which is really nice. What I'm going to do now is shape it with the template, put it on there, and drill the hole for the magnets here. This should hold tight. I think I will use 3 of this, and then I don't have to screw this part because I saw a comment on one of my Instagram posts. By the way, follow me there, all of you 23 subscriber ads, and he said that he was really afraid to put the magnets in the wrong orientation, and basically screw up that part, and I'm really scared now, but I want to try the magnet, so let's see how I will do. For now, I will go to work. I will see you later. It's now time to stain this thing. I sand this thing down to 320 grit sandpaper, so it should be fine. And I also made a test to see how it will end up, and I think it will be beautiful. My stain of choice is one of Princeton Guitar standing stain, a water base royal blue. I will use tissue paper. Now I know this is not heavy duty tissue paper, it's just kitchen tissue paper. I hope you can forgive me, Ben. I really hope. I now have to put the finishing oil. Is penetrative guitar finishing oil, also from Princeton Guitar. Okay, I am now immersed in the dark because the weather sucks, but I finished the first coat on both the body and the neck, and now I just have to put the other coat. But for this video is all is done. It's almost complete. I just have to assemble this thing and put the ramp and the logo, and I finish. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you will. I mean, it will really mean a lot to me. So subscribe if you can, and I will see you in the next video.